Hey everybody, Thomas here, and I wanted to show you this quick demo of the REST web services. I'm really excited about this feature. I've been thinking about this for probably a year or two, but I finally got it implemented. This is Smartflo, but it's going to work the same in ESB expert version because it relies on the automation. So Smartflo has changed quite a bit too. So we'll go to REST services and I'll open up this test project that I created. So it looks the same designer as the modeler that you would use to create your software. I wanted to keep it similar so it's easier to kind of get up to speed. Now, if we click the designer, you're going to see different scripts. So when you're using a web service, you're going to get data, you're going to create data, update, and then you may delete data. So each one of those is going to require its own automation script. So when the user clicks on the navigation item, it's going to perform a get. If it's going to click on new, it's going to perform a create. And then if it saves an already existing record, it's going to update it and of course delete. So if we click on the get for this particular form, the automation designer pops up. This is similar to what we've been working with if you're an expert user. Here I just have a script that creates a JSON file. So basically what happens is when it'll run the script and the software expects a output of JSON, and then from there it's going to create your forms. So I just create a quick JSON document here, and then I set it to the output. So if we click close, now if I went to home and the tasks, that's my Google tasks, it would run that script and it would take that output that we set and create the. Okay, so the JSON that I had, that JSON is usually returned from a web service. So JSON is the normal format for most web services. So there's nothing you really have to do on that end. But so I took the JSON that I created and output, and it created two records here for my tasks. And then I can open it up. And if I had my create, update, and delete scripts written, the save button would be enabled, the new button would be available, and the delete button would be available. So you can set this up to where they're not able to, like right here, you're not able to save or delete or create new records. It's basically just read only. Or you can set it up where they can edit it or without creating new records. It all depends on what scripts that you run. Another cool thing about this too, if we go back to the automation designer, is you have the full functionality of the script that we basically all the actions are there, including the browser actions. So if you wanted to scrape a website, like a listing of products, you could easily do that and have that pop up like in a bunch of records like the task did. So you can I wasn't intending for that to happen, but the way it's built is you're able to pull data from websites, from web services, and you can scrape websites too. So that's a quick look, and that should be out this month. Thank you.